Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so in last lecture in yesterday we had discussed about dictionary topic in detail. We had covered various methods and operation that we can apply on dictionary. So till now we had completed our collection types on dictionary, tuple and list. If you have confusion in these three topics, you can ask to me, because after that all the things based on these collection types mostly, and string also, string, and then collection of type, that is list, then tuple and dictionary. If you have any confusion, you can ask to me.
No, sir.
So I have prepared some questions based on these question based on dictionary and tuple in Python, because in list based week 41 question we had discussed already. So in today lecture I will discuss these questions with you, and we will do practical demonstration also on these questions, so that you can get the idea of question based on dictionary and tuple, which are commonly asked in competitive examination also. So one by one we will discuss. So first question is create dictionary to store 4 students details with roll number, name, age, fields. Search student in list, and you have to search student in a list. You understand the question? You have to create a dictionary to store 4 student details with roll number, name, age, field. Any idea how we will make this Python script? Please give reply. So let me tell you. Suppose we have in this क्वेश्चन हमको बनाना क्या है? इस क्वेश्चन में 4 स्टूडेंट का डिटेल बनाना है, जिसमें रोल नंबर, नेम और एज होगा. तो वी विल क्रिएट अ डिक्शनरी. सपोज आई हैव टेकन डिक्शनरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट like this, and this I have taken the data of 4 students. For example, student 1 colon, and again I am taking a dictionary in which I will take 3 fields: roll number, name and age. Roll number colon, suppose I have given the value 101 for roll number, comma, name in single quote I will take, then colon, suppose I have taken the name of Ajay, then again comma, age colon, suppose age is 22. So this is about first student. Similarly I have to create for student 2 colon, its roll number, suppose 102, name Ram, age 22, like this. Again comma, then student 3 colon, roll number, 103, suppose I have taken name colon Rohit, age 25, then last record, that is student 4 colon roll number 104, suppose I have taken name Rohan, comma age colon 26. So this is about the dictionary to store student for student details, and I want to search a particular student in this, so I will just type print. I will in print I will give student, and suppose I want to get the information of student 3, so I will give the key is student 3, so it will give the information of student 3 to me. I will do practical demonstration of this question on PyCharm so that you will understand. Student student 1 colon then Ajay then roll number colon 101, name student colon first value is roll number, then name colon Ajay, comma age colon 22. This is about first. Now similarly I have to create for 4 student. Control C, Control V. I will create for 4 student. So this is for student 2, and its roll number is 102, name Ram, age 24, then again student 3, its roll number is 103, name Rohit, age 25, then student 4, roll number 104, name Rohan, and age 26. So this is our dictionary that contains the record of 4 students. So now I want to print student that is student 1. So I have available now record for 4 students. Suppose I want to take student 3 record, then it will give the output is roll number 103, name Rohit, and age 25. If I will type student 3, then again I will give only, I want to get take only age, so I will give age, then it will give the age of student 3. So everyone understand? आपको समझ में आया है? Or any doubt? पूछना है किसी को
Yes,
डाउट?
sir.
क्लियर हो गया कि कैसे हम हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट रिकॉर्ड ऑफ 4 स्टूडेंट्स एंड एक्सेस each student record by their key name. So this can be done with using dictionary. So this is about question number first. Now the question number 2, access the value of keys. Question is access the value of key history from the below dictionary. This is the sample dictionary in which we have class, student, class, then class, student, class contain again student, student again contain name and marks. Student contains name and marks, two items. This is nested dictionary in which we have class, class contains student, and student contains two items, that is name and marks. So question is access the value of key history from the below dictionary. How can we print the history marks from this dictionary? हम इस डिक्शनरी से हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स को कैसे प्रिंट करेंगे? ये नेस्टेड डिक्शनरी बनी हुई है, आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी. दिस इज द नेस्टेड डिक्शनरी because we have created dictionary. This is outer dictionary, then inner dictionary, then inner dictionary. You can see. Please give reply. Access the value of key history from the below dictionary.
Uh, I will try, sir. Print sample dictionary within that curly bracket class.
Very good.
Again curly bracket student.
Square bracket, not curly bracket. Square bracket. Square bracket. Because
So
sample dict, then square bracket.
okay, yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Square bracket student. Then again student.
Because we have to take
marks. Then marks. Then history.
Very good, very good, very good. So I am going to give practical demonstration of this. I just copy this from here and I will paste this in PyCharm so that you will understand this. So this is our sample dictionary. Okay, so I have to print the marks of history subject. To print, then I have typed sample dict, then square bracket. Again I have taken, because this is the outer dictionary, that is class, and with class contain again student, and student contains two items. student के पास क्या है? दो items है. कौन कौन से हैं? name है और marks है. so हमें क्या चाहिए? name नहीं चाहिए, हमें marks चाहिए. then we have to take marks. अब marks में कौन से marks, किस subject के marks चाहिए हमें? history के चाहिए. then again history. when I will run this, you can see the output. marks of history subject that is 80. marks of history subject that is 80. understand everyone? समझ में आ गया या डाउट है अभी भी? क्लियर हो गया ना? सैंपल डिक्ट that is outer dictionary. This class contains student. student contains two items, that is name. suppose I have to print the name. suppose I have to print the name. so instead of history, instead of that history I have not taken a marks. I have to take the name. so I will take name. here name. so it will give what output it will give? What output it will give? The name of student, that is Mike. You can see the output is Mike, because student dictionary contains two items, name and marks. so according to our question we will write the code. next question is this question. please read carefully and give me answer. Initialize dictionary with default values. Initialize dictionary with default values. Like keys values are Kelly, Emma and John, and designation and default value of all of them. That is Kelly का भी डेजिग्नेशन एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर होना है, उसकी सैलरी 8000 होनी है. एमा की भी एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर होना है, सैलरी 8000 होनी है. जॉन की भी डेजिग्नेशन क्या है, एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर करना है और सैलरी हमें क्या करनी है, 8000 करनी है. Understand the question. We have to create dictionary from the values, these values. Here keys are Kelly, Emma and John, and default value that is for Kelly is designation, application developer and salary 8000, and similarly for Emma and John also. So please give reply how I will make this dictionary with these default values. Please give idea.
Can you use a set default?
Set
default.
In yesterday lecture we had discussed one method in dictionary. Please recall that method that we had discussed yesterday. One method we had discussed yesterday. Please recall that method. The method is dict.form keys. You remember this method? Form keys method. What is the use of this method? फॉर्म कीज मेथड क्या करता है? फॉर्म कीज मेथड कीज से किसी डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यूज़ को इनिशियलाइज करने का तरीका बताता है. फॉर्म की मेथड टेल्स और रिटर्न, फॉर्म की मेथड्स रिटर्न द कीज विद स्पेसिफाइड वैल्यूज़. इन फॉर्म कीज मेथड we have two arguments. One is keys and second one is default value that we want to give. So question is initialize the dictionary with default values. I am doing the practical demonstration on that, so I am copying this. So that you can understand. Or you can write yourself. I am going to demonstrate of this. So we have keys like we have the Kelly, Emma and John. So second one is Emma and then John, and third one is John, and the default values is defined by default keywords, that is employees. Here the is employees. Here this is employees. This is dictionary or list. What this symbol show? This is list, and that
List.
Defaults we have to create. Default value we have to create like not copy it actually. So defaults I am taking like that. Dictionary, it will create dictionary. Like in this dictionary we have designation and salary. Designation is application developer, and salary that is 8,000. So now I will use, suppose I have take a new value type variable in which I will create employees dot form keys method. Sorry, not employees, dict dot from keys method. Inside that I will pass two arguments. First is keys, that is employees. I have given all keys values in employee list, so I have given employees. And second argument is default value, that is defaults. When I will print this, print new value, you can see the output here. So now you can see that first, that is Kelly. कैली डेजिग्नेशन क्या है, एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर हो गया है, सैलरी इसकी 8,000 है. सिमिलरली एमा जो है उसका डेजिग्नेशन भी क्या है, एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर दिखा रहा है. इट्स सो दैट एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर एंड इट्स सैलरी इज 8,000. एंड सिमिलरली जॉन डेजिग्नेशन इज ऑल्सो एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर एंड सैलरी 8,000. दैट वी हैड डिस्कस yesterday also in form keys method. This is the special method, that is form keys method. It create dictionary from keys, several keys we can take several number of keys here with some one default value. Suppose I will give the default value here 0, so it will initialize all Kelly with 0, Emma 0 and John 0, that we had discussed yesterday. Now understand everyone this question? Understand or still doubt? Understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, if you have any confusion then message me also. Next question is, create a new dictionary by extracting the following keys from a below dictionary. Create a new dictionary हमको बनानी है. हमें डिक्शनरी दी है, गिवन डिक्शनरी. वी हैव गिवन डिक्शनरी इज सैम्पल डिक्ट, नेम कैली, एज 25, सैलरी 8,000, सिटी न्यूयॉर्क. एंड की टू इनमें से कीज जो एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी है, इसमें से नेम और सैलरी को हमें हटाना है. और जो हमारा एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट आएगा उसमें आएगा हमारा नेम, कैली और सैलरी 8,000 आएगा. इसमें से हमारा नेम और सैलरी को की को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है और उससे एक नई डिक्शनरी बना देनी है हमको. वी हैव टू क्रिएट न्यू डिक्शनरी फ्रॉम एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द कीज फ्रॉम फॉलोइंग डिक्शनरी. How we will make? Please give reply. We have already this dictionary. You can see this is the dictionary, and from this dictionary we have to extract two keys, name and salary, and from these two keys we have to create one new dictionary. Please think about this, take 1 or 2 minutes. If you can do yourself, this is best, this will be the best. This is our sample dictionary. Any idea? Please give reply. Otherwise, I will try to give you the answer. This is sample dictionary and we have keys like that. These are our keys, and use of these keys we have to create new dictionary. No idea?
No, sir.
Okay, I will let me tell you. So this is our sample dictionary, this is in our question, and these are the keys. So what we will do, we will do simple things, that we will create new dictionary. Suppose I have taken the new variable dictionary variable, and in new dictionary variable we will create dictionary like that. Suppose I have taken k colon sample dict of k, and what is k? We will create one for loop for k in keys, for k in keys. Now understand this code. Here k, the new dictionary that we will make, it has this key and this is value. We know that in dictionary we have two parts. In dictionary, in every dictionary we have two parts. So dictionary contains two parts. One is key and second one is value. So dictionary contain key and second one is value. Now we have created the code like that. New dict equal, then this curly braces, this show the dictionary, and here I have write the k. This k represent the key colon, the value is defined by that dictionary name that we have already given in question. Suppose that is sample dictionary, sample dict, and in this sample dict the value is defined by this key, that is k. And what is this k? From where this k value, k contain keys, इसके अंदर keys कहाँ से आएंगी? For that we have taken for k in keys, we have write the code for k in keys. What is keys? Keys is a list. Keys is a list. In this list we have two items, that is name, salary. Name, salary. So each time keys give one item in this k. So first of all it will give name, then this name is a key, and sample id, that is name contain value, will be assigned to that part. So first time, suppose in this dictionary value of k is name, so name will come here and colon its value. What is the value of that name key contain? You can see in question, name contains Kelly, so Kelly will come here. Now again second item from keys, that is salary. Salary come in K, that is salary. Then its sample ID, that salary contains what value? What is the value of sample salary? That is 8000. So here 8000 will come. So this is our dictionary that is assigned to new dict. When I will print this new dict 1, then I will give the output in this way. I am going to give you practical demonstration. So when I will print now, print new dict 1, so what it will print? It will print two items, name Kelly and salary 8000. Understand? This is our sample dictionary. We have given two keys in list format, and from these two keys we have create our logic here. This is line create the logic. समझ में आया आपको ये या नहीं आया? Then I will again repeat. Please ask. समझ में आया है?
1 second sir, can you turn 1 second?
Okay. We have this sample list, sample dictionary in this. This is given in question, and this is also we have to given in the question. And from these keys, name and salary, we have to. The question is we have to create a new dictionary from these. First of all, we have to extract these keys from the dictionary, and we have to create new dictionary from these keys. So I have create my logic new dict 1, that is new dictionary variable, and it contains, because you know dictionary contain two every dictionary item contains two things. One is key and colon value, key colon value. So here I have taken K as a key, and sample dict K will contain the value of that key. So what is the from where K value come? So for that we have taken this. We know that for loop is used to traverse each item in collection type. Like here collection type is keys, that is list type. So each time from keys it will take keys. So each time it will from keys it will take one item, that is first it will take name. So this name is assigned to K. Now K contains first key, that is name, and sample dict, that is name, contain what the name contained. It contain the name is Kelly. Now again second key, that is salary is assigned to K, because keys contains two item. First is name and second one is salary. Now salary value come in K. Now this value is assigned to K here. Now K contains salary and colon sample dict salary, and sample dict salary value is 8000. So now we have created dictionary, new dictionary. We have by this code we have created new dictionary which contains name colon its value Kelly and salary colon its value, that is 8000, by the help of this code. Now understand?
Yes sir.
Or still doubt? This is the logic that you have to understand. This is the complete logic that we have created to get the salary. We can create this is not only logic, we can create by other code also. For that you have to understand from that part, so that you can create your own logic or your own code. Maybe your code is having more lines, So this is the best optimal code in only three, in one line I have taken, in two line we have got the output, or we can say simply print this, so we can do in one line also. So this is all about this question. डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए, मैसेज कर लीजिए जिसको डाउट है, otherwise I am going to discuss next question. These all question are very important and oftenly asked in competitive examination. So now this question is clear, and next question is just opposite of that. In that next question, this same thing you have to apply, but in some tricky manner, something you have to do extra effort, that is delete set. This question is delete set of keys from dictionary. Here sample dictionary we have already. कीज हमें इसमें से की रिमूव करनी है, कौन कौन सी रिमूव करनी है, नेम और सैलरी को रिमूव करना है. वी हैव टू रिमूव दीज कीज नेम एंड सैलरी from these dictionary keys, and the output, that final output will contain dictionary that has only city, because name और सैलरी को हमको हटा देना है इसमें से. तो क्या क्या बचेगा इसमें से, सिटी बचेगा और एज बचेगा. तो सिटी न्यूयॉर्क आएगा, एज 25 आएगा. सो क्वेश्चन इज डिलीट सेट ऑफ कीज फ्रॉम अ डिक्शनरी. कौन कौन सी कीज को डिलीट करना है हमको, नेम और सैलरी को डिलीट करना है, दैट इज इसको अलग करना है. और आउटपुट क्या लाना है हमें, आउटपुट लाना है हमें. अभी अब हमको आउटपुट ये नहीं, हमें वी डोंट टेक द आउटपुट लाइक नेम, कैलरी और सैलरी 8000. वी हैव टू टेक द आउटपुट लाइक सिटी, न्यूयॉर्क एंड एज 25 comma age 25 in dictionary. So how we will do this, please think about this, please think. How can we create how can we delete set of keys from our dictionary in this question? No idea? We have to change little bit in this code so that we will get the desired output. So let me tell you, here again we have to remove keys like name and salary from this. So suppose I want to take new dict equals to curly braces. Here again I am taking k colon sample dict of k, because we have to final output that we have to take also is a dictionary which can contain two parts, key colon value, key colon value. So now the value of k we have to set. So again I am taking for loop for k in, what special we have to do for k in, we have one special function that we had discussed yesterday, that dictionary dict dot keys, like this. You will tell me what will this will give the return value, what value it will return. Like if I will write like sample dict dot keys, what this will return, please give reply. For k in I have written sample dict. Sample dict is a dictionary that we have created, that we have given in this question, and I have applied the function dot keys. What value keys function will return in dictionary? Please give reply.
It will take all the key values.
Very good, all the key values. So now we have all the key values, and now I will subtract minus, that is minus what I will minus, that is key to remove, minus key to remove. So this is the answer. So this will give all the keys like the name, age, salary and city, and minus we are doing minus which one, key to remove. Which key we have, key to remove? What is key to remove? Key to remove is a list which contain two keys, name, salary. So from these all sample, when you will execute this, you can see the output in list format. It contains all the values of keys. So in all these keys we have to remove first, that is name it will remove, and salary will also remove. So now the dictionary contains only two keys. One is city and second one is age. So now from city first value go to the k, and this k, that is city colon sample dict k, then city is come this, with this is New York, and the second time it will give the value of age to again k. Now the key is age, and age key contains value 25. So the answer will be like that, city colon New York comma age colon 25. Understand? This logic will give all the keys. This logic will give all the keys, and from these keys we have to first minus the key that we want to remove. We have given the key name and salary. So after this operation, these keys come one by one into k, and according to key colon value it will print it. So I am going to give the practical demonstration in PyCharm. So this is some little bit change we have to do in this code, that is sample dict dot keys function. It will give all the keys, and from this we have to minus. We have taken the variable is keys, so I will minus keys. So when I will execute this, now you can see age 25, city New York. Understand? The output is age 25 now print, and city New York. Understand this code or still doubt? अगर doubt है तो पूछिए.
No, sir. Understood.
So these are some tricky codes that you have to understand by practice one by one. So in this question we have first use this technique. This is special techniques that we can apply for other type of code. If these those code has these type of requirements, we can apply this logic on those question. उन question में भी हम logic लगा सकते हैं. तो this is the key factor, that's k colon sample disk k. This is the pair of key colon value, and value of k contains is coming from this for. This is called traversing in dictionary that we had discussed. For k in sample dict dot keys contains, it will give all the keys, and from all these keys we have deleted the keys like name, salary. So now this is the final output that we can see in the screen. So this is the question. Now everyone understand this question. Now next question that we are going to discuss, that is question number 6. Check if value 200 exists in our dictionary. Please give reply fastly, because we have to cover 15 to 16 question. Check if a value 200 exists in dictionary. How we will check?
We can use is-in function.
What?
Is-in function.
In function. Very good. In function we will use. Yes, we can use is function, in function, in keyword, sorry. For like that, suppose this is sample dict and I have to check, suppose print, that is 200 in sample dict dot, we have to match from the values, because 200 is a value, so I will take values, so it will check from all these values 200 is available or not. If when I will execute this, it will give true. If I will take 201, then it will give false. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So next question, that is rename key city to location in the following dictionary. We have already given this dictionary. This is a dictionary we have already given, and from this dictionary we have to rename करना है हमको. यहाँ पे city की जगह पे क्या लाना है? लोकेशन लाना है. यहाँ पे city लिखा हुआ है, की वैल्यू क्या है? The value of city is key is city, and we have to rename this with location, with the name of location we have to rename. So how we will do? Let me tell you. This is our sample dictionary. So what I will do? I will do like that. Sample dict. What key I have to take? Location. So I will give one location, and what I will do? The logic is I will pop. That is, I will remove that city from this dictionary. So how I can remove this city item from this dictionary? We have discussed yesterday. The function is sample dict dot pop function, that we have discussed. Pop function, and in pop function I will give the value of city. So what pop function do in dictionary? Please give reply.
It will delete a particular value.
It will
Key value.
Key value and return also. So this sample dict dot pop city will remove this city item from this dictionary, and it will return, since it will return this value. So this value of this city is what? That is New York. Now New York is assigned to which key? That is location key. This is location key, and the value of location city is defined by the pop item that we have deleted. The pop item, that is city contains which value? That is New York. After writing this code, when I will print sample dict, it will give the location here, because now this city is now removed, and now location key has come with the value New York. अब इसमें New York कैसे आया? New York ऐसे आया because we have to remove this using pop function, and the beauty of pop function is that it will return also. so it will return the key value, that is New York, and this is assigned to the location. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question that we are going to discuss, that is question number 8. Get the key minimum value from the dictionary. Please give reply fastly. Get the key of a minimum value from the dictionary.
You can use minimum function.
Very good. Minimum function we can use. Simple. We have to print min and sample dict. That will give minimum value. And if I want to take value or key, if I want to take in this question minimum value, so I will write print sample dict dot print min sample dict dot values. So it will give the minimum from the values. Values are 82, 65, 75. So minimum value is 65. So how we will get? We will just write like this. I am copying this code in PyCharm. So when I will print like this, print min, and inside min sample dict I have taken dot, suppose I will give the keys. Suppose I will give the keys. So what it will give maths. The output it will give that is so it will give the output math, the minimum value, that is math. And if I will dot type values, it will give the values is, that is maths minimum value is 65. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next question is question number 9. Change Brad's salary to 8500 from a given Python dictionary. यहाँ पे आपको एक Python dictionary दिख रही है. दिस इज सैम्पल डिक्शनरी. यहाँ पे एक नेम ब्रैड है और उसकी सैलरी इस समय दिखा रहा है द सैलरी सो इज 6500 एंड वी हैव टू change the salary by 8500. So what code I will write? Please give reply fast. How I will do? Any idea? Very simple. I have to just use like print. So first of all we have to write like this, sample dict and here I will take which one employee, employee 1 or employee 2 or employee 3. This is employee 3. This is employee 3 because Brad is employee 3. So I will give here EMP3 and EMP3 में कौन सी वैल्यू चाहिए मुझे? सैलरी को चेंज करना है. वी हैव टू चेंज सैलरी. सो आई विल गिव द वैल्यू दैट इज 8500 and after that when I will print this sample dict of EMP3, then I will give the output in change format. So I am giving you practical demonstration like that. Sample dict, then EMP3. Why I have taken EMP3? Because Brad information is employee 3. So employee 3, then salary. I have taken the value that is 8500. Now when I will print this sample dict, you will see the output like that. Now the salary of Brad is here 8500. Before that it was 6500. Now the salary is 8500. Understand the code?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next question is access value 20 from the following tuple. Access value 20 from the following tuple. How we will access? Like this, we will can print a tuple, and in a tuple which one argument? This is 0, this is first, and this is second. This is 0 index, this is first index, and this is 2 index. So a tuple, this is 20 value comes in first index, so 1, and from this 1 index which value? This is again 0, this is 1, this is 2, so I will write 1, and then it will give answer 20. Understand?
Okay, sir.
When I will this is not required to print this, you can understand this easily. I will show you
Yes, sir.
one output in PyCharm. So just I will use print a tuple then first, then again first. When I will print this, you can see output 20 will come. Okay, next question number 12. Swap the following two tuple. ये हमें दो टपल दिए, हमें इसको स्वैप करना है. वी हैव टू स्वैप दीज टू टपल्स. How we will do? Very simple. Tuple 1 contain 11, 12, 19, 19. I will write code like tuple 1 comma tuple 2 equal to tuple 2 comma tuple 1. So what this line code will do? It will assign tuple 2 value into tuple 1 and tuple 1 value assigned to tuple 2. Understand? This line of code will swap. I have write like tuple 1 comma tuple 2 equal to tuple 2 comma tuple 1. So it will assign tuple 2 value in tuple 1 and tuple 1 value is assigned to tuple 2. Like this it will.
What is swap, sir? Swap means we are interchanging the values?
Yes, interchange the value. I am giving the practical demonstration. So when I will write like this code, tuple 1 comma tuple 2 equal to tuple 2 comma tuple 1. So before that when I will print so I can just use like print statement, print tuple 2 equal to comma that is tuple 1 equal to that is tuple 1 and like that print tuple 2 comma tuple 2. So when I will run this, you can see the output. Now tuple 1 contains 99, 88. Before it contains 11, 22. Now it contains 99, 88. And before tuple 2 contains 99, 88. Now it contains 11, 22. Understand this code? So by this we can
Yes,
do
sir.
swapping. The next question is copy element 44 and 55 from the following tuple into new tuple. How we can do? Please give reply. हमें क्या करना है? टपल से कॉपी करना है एलिमेंट 44 और 45 को. हमारे एलिमेंट कौन कौन से 44 और 45 को हमें कॉपी करना है और इनटू न्यू टपल. So like that we suppose I have tuple 2 I am taking, so it will contain tuple 1. From tuple 1, from where we will use slicing, so I will take from 0, this is location 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. So I will take, I can use either this 3 comma minus 1 I can take, or I can take also tuple 1 from minus 3 to minus 1 also I can take, because this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Understand? So it will create new tuple. I am giving the practical demonstration so we will understand. Control C, then this is tuple 1. Now tuple 2. How will we create tuple? With the help of tuple function. In this tuple function I will give tuple 1, that is from 3 to minus 1. So when I will print tuple 2, now you can see this is 44 and 55. Understand? Now understand?
Yes.
Okay. This tuple function will create tuple, and in this we have given the slice method, slicing from start to end position. Next question is modify the first item 22 of list inside a following tuple 222. मतलब अभी आपकी जो लिस्ट टपल दिख रही है, इस टपल के अंदर एक लिस्ट है. दिस टपल कंटेन्स अ लिस्ट. उस लिस्ट में लिस्ट कंटेन्स 22 वैल्यू and we have to replace 22 with 222. Understand the question? This is a tuple. This is index number 0. This is index number 1. This is index number 2. This is index number 3. So list is coming on which index number? 1. So हमें कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा कोड? We have to write the code like this: tuple 1 and index number is 1, and from this index number this is again list. So 22 comma 33 again list, it is also indexing 0, this is 1. So हमें we have to change this 22. So again I will take 0, this is 0, in 0 I will take 222. Then again I will print tuple 1, so it will give the desired output, that is now it will contains 11 comma 222 comma 20 comma 33 and like 44 and 55. Sorry. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand this code? So I am going to do practical demonstration also. So we will see. Control C, then this is tuple 1, then print. So first of all tuple 1 of first index, and from first index that is 0 index, which will give the list first index, and here I will give 222. Once I will print this, print tuple 1, so it will give the value is 222. Understand? Next question is, check if all items in the tuples are same. Check if all items in this tuples are same. How we will check? Please give reply. How we will check this all items in this tuples are equal? We have next question also, so please give reply. No idea? So let me tell you. Here we can use one function, that is all function. This all function check all iteration in collection and return true or false value. For like that, suppose I have given like print all, okay, so it will check like that. On these all things, that is 45, this one, that I equals to, suppose, sorry, this one like this, tuple 1 of 0, and how we will get the value of I? For I in tuple 1, so it will check for I in tuple 1, but it will give, each time it will give the value of these tuple from in I. First it will give 45. 45 will check will tuple 1 0 element, that is 45 is equal. Again it will give the value 45. Again it will check equal. Again 45, it is equal. Again it will 45, again equal. So again all time it will give true. All iteration it will give true. So final value, that is true. If suppose I have given the value is like not, suppose I have given in first location, I have given value like in second location, suppose I have given the value like 450. So first value of I contains 45. 45 is equal to tuple 1 values, that is 45. It is give the right, but the next value, that is 450. 450 not equal to tuple 0, that is 45. So it will return false value that time. On that time it will return false value. I am giving you practical demonstration so that you will understand this. print all I equal to tuple 1 ऑफ जीरो एलिमेंट, वाइट जीरो एलिमेंट फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से चेक करेंगे हम, फॉर आई इन tuple 1. So when I will execute this code, now it is giving the true or true value. Suppose I have given here some value is different 450. So in this case what will happen? Now answer is false. Why? Because all function is a function that will check each value in the iteration. If all are true, then it will return true value, otherwise it will return false value. Understand this question? Understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last question we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.